So you've got a Canon M50 Mark II and you want to reset all the settings. Maybe you're selling the camera or you just want a fresh start. Let's go ahead and show you how. Now, if you have a different Canon camera, hopefully this tutorial helps you as well. So with the camera on the back here, we've got the menu button. We're going to be using that. And in the circle here, you can go left and right, up and down. And the Q set there in the middle is the select button. So go ahead and push the menu here. Now I'm using the standard menu mode. There's also a guided menu mode. So if it looks slightly different, that's why. We're gonna go left and right. So go across, you can push right across here. We're going through them right over to the wrench, which is yellow. And I'll go to 4. We're actually looking for the wrench and number 5, which isn't there. And this is probably where a lot of you are getting stuck. We need to turn the dial here at the top to either P, TV, AV, or M. So I'll just rotate that over to P. And then I'll just open up the menu here again. And now you can see I've got the number 5 there. So we can push over. And you can see the first option here is reset camera. So you can go down, go through the different options, but select reset camera with the middle button here. And we can either reset other settings here. So you can go through all of those and do individual settings. But I'm just gonna go back here. You can hit the menu button to go back. We'll go up to basic settings. And then it says clear all camera settings. So we can go over to OK. We'll just go ahead and select that. Busy, please wait. And it's resetting all those settings. And now it's reset. And really it's that simple to reset all your settings here on your Canon M50 Mark II.